Hey guys, it's me again. I just want to send you a quick video of the most common thing people get confused is the auto hold feature here. It's super simple to use. As you can see, it's on right now. This is where the error is. I'm in the 2026 Kia Carnival. Check it out, super nice by the way. Kia Carnival on and off right here. So the best advice I can give anybody, when you see it's on the screen on the gauge cluster, you can tell what these things are active and working. Whenever you see anything that's green, that's how you know it's active and working. So right now it's a brake hold feature. So I take my feet off the brakes. Let me show you here. Voila, let me expand it some. Nice cool horns, my feet off the brakes. I'm in drive and I'm not moving. And once I hit the gas again to accelerate, that's when I finally move. And once I hit the brakes, this goes back to auto hold, just like that, and it's green and lit up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I got some more videos coming up, ways to keep understanding Kia simple. Take care.